How prepared are you? This video will help you get you prepped for whatever life may throw at you, just in case there'll be a disaster or emergency. There are a lot of items you should have in your emergency preparedness supply. But if you don't have time, stockroom or money to have them all, what items are the most important? Here are some of our best picks. Number 1. Food and water. It's highly recommended to have at least 2 weeks' supply of food or water. They are essential for everyday life. After an emergency like natural disasters, include cooking sources in your prepping supplies. What meals would you be able to prepare on a grill or even over a campfire? It's a good plan to look into a camping stove, homemade fire pit, or solar oven to provide you options for cooking without power. Number 2. Survival tools. Having the correct survival tools is an important part of survival. Build a kit of tools for your survival when the world goes dark and you'll need to do everything by hand. Tools for something that we could use universally, for cooking, building things, hunting foods or even self-defense, like lighter, knife, rope, hammer, shovel, pepper spray, guns and etc. Number 3. Survival medicine. Over-the-counter medications are well worth stocking. But when disaster strikes and there would be an ailment that your stocks of over-the-counter medicines won't solve it, and you lose all access to doctors, hospitals and pharmacies, natural medicine will be your family's best hope for survival. Interested in surviving a doomsday situation using natural remedies that are readily available throughout the USA? Click the link below to find out. Having equipment is one thing, but survival specialist knows that a great prep is a mix of equipment, ability, planning, practice, and you. Hope this video helps, and if you like it, don't forget to like and subscribe. Thank you.